Hello friends, I am Prajan Rai and welcome to Mission Top Tech. Today I am going to show you how to install portable Windows operating system in this USB drive. So if you want to also install your portable Windows operating system on your USB drive, you must watch this entire video how I do this. Okay, you can see here this is my computer screen and here I have downloaded Rufus software and Windows operating system ISO file. Today I am using this Windows 10 operating system to make portable Windows operating system on my USB drive. So first of all, I'm going to open this Rufus software. You can download this software and ISO file from I have provided link in description below. So first of all, I'm going to open Rufus software. Okay, this is the user interface of Rufus software and this is my USB drive. Now I'm going to eject and reinsert on my computer. Today I'm using this bootable USB drive to make portable Windows operating system using this ISO file. So now I'm going to choose boot selection. Click here in select button. Today I'm using Windows 10. Today I'm using Windows 10 32-bit ISO file. And now I'm going to change image options. You can start from here to make bootable USB drive, but today I'm going to direct install portable Windows operating system on my USB drive. So now I'm going to choose this Windows to go options and choose partition options is MBR and leave the all settings are defaults. So now I'm going to click on start to install this ISO file using this Rufus software to my USB drive. So now I'm going to click on start and here is a dialog box of version selection. I'm going to choose Windows 10 Home Edition. So now click on OK and now I'm going to start process of portable Windows installation on my USB drive. So I'm going to click on yes button and click on OK. Okay, as you can see the status is checking for rolling and now here is showing one warning button. So now I'm going to click on OK to continue installing process. Okay, here you can see the status showing is deleting partition. This may take a while, take a few time like that. Okay, status is showing here applying Windows image 1.2%. We need to wait for complete process to progress 100%. So wait for a moment. So now our installation process has been successfully completed. So now I'm going to close this Rufus software and as you can see I'm going to click on this PC and this is my USB drive where I have installed Windows operating system and you can see here this all three drives are of my internal hard drive and this drive is my USB drive. So now I'm going to load this USB drive and now after making this portable Windows operating system on my USB drive, so now I'm using this laptop to load portable Windows operating system from this USB drive. So now I'm going to restart this computer. Okay, it's restarting my computer. While it's gone to black screen, we need to press F9 to choose boot order to load this bootable USB drive. So wait for a moment, press F9 to load boot order. Okay, I have pressed F9 to open boot order screen. Okay, you can see here will be appear this USB drive. So now I'm going to insert my USB drive and press Ctrl Alt Delete from my keyboard and wait for starting and press F9 again. Here is appearing my USB drive. So now I'm going to choose this USB drive and press enter to load portable Windows operating system from my USB drive. So now I'm going to press enter on my keyboard. It's loading Windows 10 logo here from my USB drive. So you can also make your portable Windows operating system on your USB drive like this. So I hope you understand this video. If you have I hope you understand this video and useful for you. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends, and if you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will meet with another video. Till the next video, bye bye, namaste.